Welcome guys, my name is Ricardo Pereira and today I'm going to show you how to export data from a Datagrid tool. So don't leave and learn Mendix with me. So before you start following this tutorial, you need to make sure that you are using the Mendix version 10.4 or higher, and you have the latest version of the module data widgets from Mendix. To start, you can go to your homepage or the page you want to expose your information. Currently, I have here a few entities and I want to expose all the information that I have inside the project entity. So to do this, I'm going to my home web page, then toolbox. I'm going to drag and drop a Datagrid 2. And here I'm going to select as a data source from database the entity project. Click OK. And now I'm able to select one or more columns. And I'm going just to click OK. And OK again. As you can see, it generates a Datagrid 2 with multiple columns. And here we have a one button with error, where we can just select one click page. If you don't have any, you can create. And do the same for this edit button. So right click, select on click page and select your new edit page. To be able to generate an Excel file with all the contents and columns that you can see on the Datagrid 2, it's very simple. You just need to go to your toolbox, search for NanoFlow, drag and drop to the widget area, and then here you can create a new NanoFlow. So you can call it ACT project export Excel, and then click OK. Inside your microflow, you can give permissions to certain roles. So you can go to allowed roles and select the ones that make sense in your project, and then go to the toolbox and search for export. Now you can see that you have one actions from the data widgets module, and here you can just drag and drop to your flow and double click. As you can see, we have to fill a few inputs, and the first one is the Datagrid name. So let's go back to the home web page or the page you are using. Just one click on the Datagrid, go to properties, and here we are going to search for the tab common. Here you can just copy your Datagrid name and go back to the NanoFlow. Double click on the action, and here click in edit. Open single quotes, paste the Datagrid name and click OK. On the second input, you can just write the name of the file. So we can just write projects, click OK. Same for the sheet name. So it can also be projects, click OK again. And now we have the options to include column headers. So it's a true or false. You can use as a true. Change size. So here we can decide the number of items fetched and exported per request. If you want to export everything, you can just write here empty. Click OK again. Here you can set a name for your variable, or you can just keep this one. Then click OK and click to run the server. Click to view app, login as administrator, and here you can see that we have two rows. One it's calling test, have status, so all the columns that we have on the project, and currently we have two objects to be exported. If you click to export your Excel file, you can see that it starts automatically one download, and if you click on the Excel file, you can see that we have all the columns that are expose on our Datagrid tool. You can also see that we have one more column without any header, and it says custom content. It is because on Studio, we also have one column with custom content. So if you double click on the Datagrid tool, you can see at the end, we have one column without caption and also custom content. So currently there is no way to remove this one column from the Datagrid tool inside the export. So if you want to do it, you really need to remove it from the Datagrid tool. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.